In this lecture, we will talk about variable assignment and how to do math operations with variables. Assignment is pretty simple and is the same as you know for bash. When we want, for example, into variable a assign value 1, we will use a equal sign 1. For string assignment, when we want to assign word or sentence, we are using quotation marks. If we want increment value of variable a, we just use plus plus, or we can use a equal sign a plus 1. The most common math operations are very easy, as you can see. Also, we have more math operations available for awk, but in most cases you will not need them. We can now practice some basic math. And as now we won't use any file input, just type the same as me into begin section. Print 1 plus 1. And we see that this is working, output is 2. Now print 6 minus 1. Result is 5. We can do also easily some division. And does awk operates floating point? Yes, it does. And we can also try to do some multiplication. So any type of operation can be done here. This is amazing. Now let's print number of records in password file, and as record separator I will use new line character. So in begin section I will define record separator as a new line. And in end section I will print number of records. So in my case, I have 41 records, 41 lines. Now let's create variable count inside begin section. So in begin section, we will have record separator, which is equal to new line, and we will have here also variable count, which is equals to 0. And for each record we will increase counter value by 1 in main body section. And in end section we will print number of records, and also we will print value of variable count. In the end section, number of records and value of variable count should be the same, because they are doing the same. For each record, they increase its value by 1. And I can see same numbers here. Great! Now let's increase our variable count for each record by 2 instead of by only 1. And we see that the variable count has now its value 2 times bigger than number of records. Great!